the claims processing is not the claims office. Okay? Now, the slide will show that this is the claims blueprint. Itong claims blueprint po, ito yung flow ng transaksyon ng pasyente. Pag na-admit siya, at the same time, na-discharge siya. So, the moment the patient is admitted, the patient account, yung account niya, undergoes a specific process. This is what I call the claims blueprint. Now, commonly ho, ang understanding ng doktor at even top management of the hospital is this. When we talk about claims and claims processing, PhilHealth claims and PhilHealth claims processing. Okay? So, a lot of hospitals and doctors will perceive it as, it is all happening in the claims office. Again, when we talk of claims and claims processing, the assumption is it's all happening inside the claims office of the hospital, which is actually false. Ito bantayan natin. Pag pumasok yung pasyente, magpapa-admit siya, be it sa ER, OPD, or pumasok siya with doctor's order. The first step of the transaction is patient registration. What is this? We're talking here about admitting patients and putting patient data inside the hospital information system. Ito ho yung admitting office. Who are there? Yan ho yung admitting staff. The moment they come in, they get the form and they put their name there and then they will register. Okay? Now, so, admitted na sila or papa-admit pa sila, okay? They are seen by the clinician. Kayo yun. Pagpasok sa ER, OPD, you see them. Okay? And then, mag-register and then titingnan ninyo. So, that is the next step. The delivery of services. Ito yan. So, this level, the delivery of services, this is wherein health services are given to the patient. So, this happens in the OPD, ito po sa ER, kasi yan na yung titingnan ninyo sila, you do your clinical assessment. This also happens when we admit patients and then you bring them to the laboratory. You bring them to the X-ray or to the ultrasound. This is where the delivery of services also happen in the ward, OR, DR, CCU, ICU, hemodialysis unit, okay? So basically, a place where services are given to them. Yan ho yung delivery of services. So, most of the time, ang clinicians ho dyan papasok because they provide the services. Sino yung clinician? The doctors, okay? The nurses, the diagnostic people, X-ray, radio, okay? The medtech, and the pharmacy. Kasi clinical ho ang transaction. So, from patient registration, nag-register, nilagay ang pangalan at detalye sa system, okay? So, ngayon, i-admit na siya. So, all the works will be done sa delivery of services. In the delivery of services, nandyan din ho yung charge capture. Whatever na i-order ninyo, kukunin ba sa laboratory, papunta ba ng X-ray, kukunin ba sa pharmacy, okay? Sa CSR, okay? Charges will be captured. Kasi maniningil eh. Okay? Maniningil. So, financial information is also captured. So, now, the moment you discharge the patient, the moment discharge ni doktor yung pasyente, okay, what will happen next? There are two things that will happen. Ito. Part of the paper will go to the medical records, and in some hospitals, okay, part of the clinical chart will go to the billing. Depende sa facility. Okay? Now, the moment the doctor will do an MGH at my final diagnosis na, the final diagnosis is converted into an ICD-10 code. Okay? So, may I know, are you familiar with ICD-10 code? Type yes if familiar kayo, no if hindi ho kayo familiar.